Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to print glow-in-dark t-shirt easily at home. So this is the image that I'll be working with. Here's a quick tip for choosing an image. Always choose an image with bright or glowing spots. So here is the comparison of the final result. Brighter color gives you brighter glow. After choosing the image, print it on a glow-in-dark heat transfer paper. Next, remove all the excess material from the print. Here's one more quick tip. While remove all the excess material around the subject. This will make your t-shirt look good. And please do not do like I did, which you will see at the end. Next, you have to do two things before printing the t-shirt. First one is removing lint from t-shirt using lint remover. Second one is removing wrinkles. Now place your t-shirt horizontally. And place a sheet underneath the t-shirt. Next, remove the back paper from the print and place it on the t-shirt. Next, place a Teflon sheet over it. Now iron the design on a medium heat from side to side. Now to get the glow effect, keep the t-shirt under sunlight or any bright source of light for about 2 to 3 hours to get this final result. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.